BlackRock and Grayscale are in competition to solve the world of crypto. Now, BlackRock has over $13 trillion in assets, and Grayscale is massive when it comes to digital holdings. Both of these companies are trying to do the same thing, and it can totally rescue crypto. Let's go screen and explore what that is. Now, I know BlackRock sends the chills down some of the spines of you listeners out there, but they can really save crypto, and here is how. BlackRock launches private trust offering direct Bitcoin exposure. They have over $13 trillion in assets under management, and they are now going to give their institutional level investors direct Bitcoin exposure, direct management of Bitcoin. And remember, it's very commonplace to start with Bitcoin as a product and expand the offerings from there. And the key here is that they would be doing it through a trust. Now, Grayscale is doing something extremely similar. SEC rejects Grayscale's ETF in new blow to crypto. Let the legal battle begin. Grayscale Investments' application to convert its flagship Bitcoin trust to an ETF has been rejected by the SEC. Grayscale has been trying for a while to get this fund turned into an ETF, but they have been unsuccessful. Now, this was a big blow to crypto, but here is the key. You have Grayscale over there on the crypto asset side of things. But now you have BlackRock over on the traditional side wanting to do the same thing. Build a Bitcoin trust to then convert it to an ETF. And since Grayscale has been unable to get the SEC to approve their ETF, BlackRock is going to jump in and give it a go. All of crypto has to be excited about this news because you have two firms now going after the same project, starting a trust and then hopefully getting the SEC's permission to go ahead with an ETF. Yes, convert that trust into an ETF, get more institutional money into crypto, and start expanding the reach of crypto and the products offered by it. Now, BlackRock's trust will be a little bit different, but the end effectiveness, if it gets approved by the SEC, will be massive. The trust will be available to US-based institutional clients and will be BlackRock's first product that offers direct exposure to the price of Bitcoin. Despite the steep downturn in digital asset market, we are still seeing substantial interest from institutional clients in how to efficiently and cost-effectively access these assets using our technology and product capabilities. So even during this crypto winter, institutional level investors out there are knocking on the doors of BlackRock saying, hey, help us out. We want a product. We want to get involved in crypto. And of course, they always pick Bitcoin first, which opens the doors for everything else. Now, I know the thought of BlackRock can be very cringe, but it is awesome now to see a second competitor coming in, putting pressure on the SEC to get an ETF, a crypto ETF going in the market. Right now, the SEC has rejected all attempts of an ETF like that, saying, hey, Grayscale, look, nope, we're not going to do it. Grayscale, nope, we're not going to do it. Well, now Grayscale is filing a lawsuit against the SEC. In the meantime, BlackRock jumps in with their trillions of assets and says, all right, cool, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to build a direct Bitcoin exposure trust, and then we're going to take that trust and see if we could turn it into an ETF and get the SEC to give us our blessing. The competition between these two firms is going to move that ETF along faster than if just one company was out there promoting the product. The SEC now is going to get bombarded from multiple angles, and we'll see extreme institutional level pressure to start allowing a Bitcoin direct ETF.